Hi everyone and welcome to a new episode of Few Minutes with Harvey. Good evening guys. So, welcome sa ating new country and nandito tayo ngayon sa Tirana, Albania. So, we will be celebrating our birthdays. Yes, today is July 24 self. Older self, today is July 24, 2025. And dito tayo magse-celebrate ng ating birthday and ang birthday din ni Tin sa 26. So nauna lang kami ng maaga-aga kay Diana and we will be exploring Tirana and Kaysamil or the Albania itself for the next 4 days. So we will be further discussing to you all of the itineraries, agendas, and I will be including the bookings as well for us to be able to save much time. I'll send the link as well para hindi rin kayo masyadong ma-stress. So, doon lang tayo sa kabila pa kasi kukunin namin yung kotse. Yeah, that's the first agenda. We need to get the car. And then, ano pa ba? We need to get the car and then wait for Diana. Yun. So, before anything else, kung bago ka lang sa ating channel, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And pakihita din ng notification bell for you to be updated on our latest uploads. So, maglalakad na muna tayo. I've shown you some clips. I find it nice. Mainit sa Albania. Mukhang hindi masyado, yeah, hindi masyado. That's nice. And lalakad-lakad muna tayo. Tsaka mukhang jolly sila kasi nag-i-interact sila eh. Nakita lang nila na may camera tayo. So nag-i-interact agad sila. And nakangiti sila ha. Fairness. Hindi katulad ng mga
Huwag na magbagyo.
hindi na nga, wala na nga akong binanggit si Tin yun. Kung ano man yung narinig niya sa gilid, it's her, not me.
Ayun, may ano.
So, kailangan nating tumawid kasi nandun yun sa kabila.
Doon nga daw.
Ayun no, Best Western. Diyan nagtatrabaho si ano eh. Si Brian. Naalala mo pa si Brian? Brian, Lanicians. Hi Bri, if you're watching.
Until now?
Oo, masaya siya doon. Okay, anyway. Magtatawid na muna tayo and tingnan natin kung may maisasama pa tayo. I'll make sure na this is a one full vlog this day. Even though, because the agenda for today is nothing. That's the agenda. The agenda is just to arrive here in Albania. Ayan na, I'm trying to speak in English as much as I can. Because you know, we've got some international viewers. Because yesterday, I received a comment from someone who watched our video in Greece. 2 of them. So now, I'm trying to speak in English as much as I can so that the yung dubbing, so that the dubbing and the subtitle won't have a hard time na mag-catch up sa ano natin, sa vlog. So anyhow, maghahanap muna kami kasi kailangan namin tumawid. Kasi nandun siya sa kabila. Good morning everyone. So hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi I drove like 5 hours. Literal guys, 5 hours from Tirana to Kaysamil. So nandito na tayo sa Kaysamil sa ano ba to? South, no? South of Albania. I feel like it's south of Albania. And tayo ngayon ay nandito sa Hotel de Kaysamil. So we will be staying here for today. Older self, this is July 20, 2025, your 27th birthday. So, ngayon ay hindi pa ako nakakaligo. Ito pa rin yung suot ko from last night na nakita niyo sa video. Kasi nahabol lang namin yung breakfast and then, tsaka ako maliligo. Sila nakaligo na. Magkakaroon na tayo ng quick room tour kahit na medyo magulo na siya. dahil kailangan natin para sa vlog na to. So, mamaya na tayo mag-video sa labas. So, nandito tayo sa loob ng hotel. Meron ditong rack. May LG na, ano ba to? Fridge. May mga libre namang towel. Isang maliit, isang malaki. Then, good for everyone. Then, may extra na comforter. 3 and isang pillow. Walang laman yung fridge nila. Malamig naman. Pero, it doesn't look like it's new. Pero, ano na siya ha? It's okay to use. And then, there's a toilet. Meron namang, there's a heater, guys. So, no need to worry. And then, we have, ano ba to? Kubeta. Ano bang English ng kubeta? Toilet. Oh, big toilet. And then, the sink. Meron din silang hair dryer. So, for those people who wants to dry their hair. And then, meron din namang mirror for you to use. Since 4 kami, meron 2 single bed. 2 single bed. Yan. And, isang double bed. Double bed or king size bed? I don't know. Then, meron din namang television and then may split type na aircon. We have a balcony on where paglabas mo ay kita na yung dagat. Ayan, kita na yung dagat dun. So, ayan. Bumaba na muna tayo, kumain muna tayo, and then we'll let you know of the other plans for today. Kaya, kikilos na muna kami para hindi kami ma-stress. Alright?
Bye!
And this is how the hotel looks like, guys. Maybe we're staying on that end kasi we can see that side. So, ito yung HDK, yung logo niya. And if you guys want to park for your car, guys, you can use this space for free. This is the car that we will be using. We rented this one, guys, through booking.com. So, we have free breakfast here. I think it's included sa binayaran natin. Then, yung mga servers ay mga Pinoy sila ate.
Hello po, magandang umaga.
Ayan, diba? So, ito yung mga variety ng food. Pero, i-mute na lang natin para di tayo makapiright. Ayan, so we are now done with our breakfast and okay naman yung breakfast niya. It's not the typical na na-expect natin but okay naman siya. Good na siya for the price ng ating hotel. So yun nga, as I was saying, we're staying here in Hotel de Quesamil. I will now discuss sa inyo yung mga naging plans natin for this travel. This is a gathered information from all the people who went here for the last few months, few friends of mine, few colleagues of mine, and they said na it's better to stay here in Quesamil rather than staying in Tirana. Kasi nga daw, if you are after the beaches, if you are after the nature, it's much better to stay here kasi nga mas malapit siya sa iba't ibang vicinity or sa mga activities. So for today, on our birthday, we will be going to Permat. Hang on. My phone is here so we can check it on the itinerary. Ilalagay ko din naman dyan yung screenshot ng itinerary natin para you are aware of what we will be doing. So tayo ngayon ay, give me a second. Yeah, Permet. We will be doing a Viosa river rafting tour. Isa to sa mga gusto ko talagang gawin beforehand sa Cagayan de Oro. Pero apparently, we weren't be able to visit CDO sa Philippines. So, now na may chance tayong gawin siya dito sa Albania ay gagawin natin siya. Medyo maputi ata yung mukha ko noon. Naglagay kasi tayo ng makapal na sunscreen kasi nga from afternoon hanggang late afternoon tayo nasa river rafting. Kaya expected natin na mangingitim tayo. So, after that, we will be having a Benja thermal baths. lalagay ko naman yan dyan. May bayad lang siya na 2 pounds or sa Philippine peso ay 152 pesos. So, di ba, mura na yun. And yung check-in natin dito sa Quesamil ay 56 pounds per head. So, yung 56 pounds per head ay ko-convert natin into Philippine peso. And, sorry, hindi nag-error siya, guys. So, wala siya. 56 times 76 na lang. So, it's 4,256 pesos as of today, ng July 25. So, yun naman for all the international viewers, if there's still some who are watching and trying to get the idea. I'm trying to speak in English as much as I could, even though you know, I'm not very used to do vlogs in English, but I'll try, because I believe before that my main target is Philippine audience. But as I could see, since I am here in Europe, it's much better to speak in English, because there are other people who wants to get some ideas regarding their travel. So we will be doing that. So ayun, we will be driving na for 2 hours going to Permit from Quesamil. It's another 2-hour drive. And from there, doon tayo magwa-water rafting. I'll just update you guys of anything that will happen, and then I'll further discuss everything na magagawa natin for this day. Siguro we will be creating 2 vlogs. Karugtong naman na to. This is a continuation of the vlog yesterday. And we will be doing another vlog for later after ng ating water rafting, on where we will be visiting the vicinity of Quesamil. So maganda yung area niya. It looks like Montenegro. If you haven't watched it, guys, please do check out our Montenegro vlogs, because we've been to Montenegro before, and that is another Balkan country. And I find it really nice here. So yun lang muna, and I'll see you guys later. Hi everyone, so we are now here at somewhere down the road. I don't know where we are right now, pero we're almost there sa location ng kung saan tayo magwo-water rafting. And we're still ahead of time. We still have an hour to spare. So ang ganda ng view. I can really say that this is one of the most relaxing country na napuntahan natin, na we didn't expect na it would be like this. Kasi sa Montenegro, we didn't expect that Balkan country is beautiful. And dito rin, hindi rin ako masyado nag-expect. But then again, it amazed me. Or maybe siguro kasi we expect less. That's why we were surprised easily. Pero grabe kasi yung linaw ng tubig. If you saw the videos na una, na binidyo ni Diana. Kasi I'm the one driving, guys. Kaya medyo hirap din tayo sa pagtitake ng mga videos natin. Anyhow, we will be sending you more and more montage. And hopefully, magamit natin yung phone or even yung GoPro ng maayos para mailagay natin yung video natin ng nag-water rafting tayo. Nag-stop muna kami dahil bumili muna kami ng water dahil hindi libre ang tubig dito miski sa hotel. So bumili kami ng tubig, bumili lang din muna kami ng ice cream pampalipas ng gutom para may energy rin kami mamaya. So balikan ko kayo kapag nandun na tayo, and let's see kung may mga montage pa tayo makikita along the way. Okay, nandito na tayo sa rafting area, and ilalagay ko na lang dyan yung link niya sa Get Your Guide yata to kinuha. So you can just search it there, and then this costs like 38 pounds. Lalagay din natin yung pinaka-cloak at saka link sa baba para hindi kayo mahirapan. So 2:30 PM yung schedule namin, and then magto-toilet lang muna tayo. Bago since hindi pala tayo pwede mag-wetsuit ngayon dahil nga sobrang init. Grabe guys, ang sakit sa balang. Pero mukha naman siyang masaya. So, papakita ko rin siya sa inyo. Ayan. Ay, panlalaki lang ata. Ayun, ng babae sa kabila. Ayun, no. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga susuotin natin. Ayan, papakita din natin sa inyo yung view. Kasi medyo maganda yung view niya dito kasi may bundok sa likuran. Montage lang natin ng ilang seconds. Okay, yung next nito, yun ang pagpe-prepare natin siguro sa pagbibihis and then yung mga instructions. Then if not, diretso na tayo sa phone kasi yun yung gagamitin natin sa water rafting tsaka yung GoPro ni Diana.